Yes, of course. Israel is going to attack Iran's multiple sites and cities, and I am worried about our sober Pakistani dost Janab Nazar Hafiz Saab, who just returned to Iran, from Pakistan some days ago and may suffer infusion effects of an atomic attack or severe bombing by Israel on atomic plants or sensitive installations of Iran, which can cause the atmosphere polluted too. Because Pakistan will never be the part of war game, so Pakistan is more safe country in case of war expansion. Wassalam, Rayu Khosraza Daniala. Kindly do care of take care of your good self, Nazrafi Saab, while living in Iran, because it's an international agenda to involve Iran in the Third World War. But Iran has been avoiding such kind of severe war because it was so early to win the war. But at last, the Jews and American and NATO and allied countries are successful to involve Iran in this severe war. So I fear that at this stage, Iran is unable to defend the air strikes because I fear none of Muslim countries is able to defend air strikes of Israel because Israel has the superior technology backed by America and its allies. So it was really so early. Uh, Personally, I did never want Iran to be involved in any severe kind of war, but actually it was an international agenda and an extreme intrigue against Iran because they wanted Iran to be involved in such kind of war at this stage. So they are successful, but I think Iran understands the intrigue, the the script written by America. So Iran may avoid to expand the war, and it would be better for Iran if Iran stops to continue the war. It's enough. Whatever Iran has done, excellent. Really, I do appreciate Iran's patience and Iran's retaliation. It was enough. The retaliation is wonderful. Iran proved that Iran can attack Israel again and again. But actually, it is not the stage to expand the war anymore. So, Iran must keep quiet until it has the technology to defend itself. The technology like Iron Dome, etc. To send missiles to Israel, really a great success of Iran. But reciprocally, uh, to defend this Iran is more important. Even Pakistan has been avoiding war with its um, uh, rival, with its enemy India, because still Pakistan can attack India and can destroy India by its um, um, critical weapons. But Pakistan cannot defend itself from Indian attacks. So Pakistan is silent, and Pakistan is spending the time unless until Pakistan gets the air defense system, a reliable air defense system. So, same Iran has done whatever he did excellently. Iran proved that Iran can retaliate. So Iran did mm, show its power. So mm, it's enough. I think Iran must not expand war anymore. I fear. Please. But now the situation is that because Iran was irritated again and again by several aggressive incidents by Israel. So, unwillingly, Iran had to react. So, I think Israel and America will do any kind of action against Iran to destroy Iran's important installations, including atomic sites, atomic plants, as Israel had done Iraq's at, atomic plant in 1984, etc. I think. So, I fear at this stage, whatever Iran did is enough. But it must be enough. And ceasefire between Iran and Israel must be encouraged, and war must be stopped at this stage. And but unfortunately, UNO is a tool in hands of America, Israel, and its their allies. So UNO is unable to play any kind of a role. So I think they have uh, an aggressive agenda against Iran, and they may fulfill their plan, and Iran may suffer if the war is expanded. So wisely, Iran should um, avoid anymore uh, to take any decision on wars, because let the Iran be ready for the war of futures. Thank you. I fear, but the America and Israel would not give any more time to Iran. It is the best time for them to attack the Iran. And unfortunately, if Iran's atomic sites are targeted, then the atomic leakage and infusion may spoil the atmosphere of all the neighboring countries, because it is not a subject of any locality. No, it is a global concern. So the diplomatic channels must be utilized to stop the war and to decrease the tension between America and Israel and Iran. Israel itself is nothing. Actually, Israel's godfather and patrons are behind the game. Thank you. Rai Yusuf Raza Daniala, Tehsil Dina, District Jhelum, Punjab, Pakistan.